Yo, CPT and the world, you Steezingwithoasis, and welcome back to Lyric Lounge. I have some dope artists in studio with me today, all the way from Bel. They go by the name of Earl and Trigo, and I'm now going to pick their brain.
What up?
Yeah, man. So, Earl, Trigo, how long have you been in the music industry?
Well, we solo artists, so basically we just started recently. So it's like a duration of 3 to 4 months.
3 to 4 months, so it's like a fresh thing. It's like a seed that needs to still grow.
Yeah.
You want it to be this tree, like a stump, foundation, and then super tree.
Away.
Okay, now I feel you. And then, what got you into hip hop though, like the hip hop genre?
Well, since a young age, I went through a lot of stuff, like struggling, like all of us. A lot of people go through such stuff, like financial problems and all that. So basically, I was just at home listening to music a lot and listening to rap artists like hip hop, and so I was like, I want to be like that like one day, because I also want to be on TV and I want to be that type of artist that inspire another young like me. You see, I want to do the same thing. I just want us to like spark another youngin. That's all.
And I know, sir, why did you get into hip hop?
Yeah.
You look old. Change, you don't look up, get it, like you look good, bro.
Yeah, bro.
Like you have a lift up hold. So what got you to hip hop, bro?
Yeah, nah, it's just the music, bro. The music of the day. Yo, it's dope, man. So we just gotta produce our shit, do what we gotta do, you know, get our music out there. So the hip hop industry, it's changed from Lil Wayne back in 2003, 4 to now to current, like Migos and that. It has changed. But Lil Wayne, they still produce their music and that. They still do their thing. So, like me, I want to do my own thing. See? So that's why the hip hop industry is like, it's changed, man. So, yeah.
So you said you're a solo artist, so I'm gonna ask you this one first and then this you feel again. Like, what inspires your sound?
Like I said, like earlier on, like since a young age I've been listening to Lil Wayne a lot. Now I've been studying music, like a lot of us, you know, like before we start, we were always like first trying to study the game. We will study music, we will study how they do hooks, we will do research on it, because we want to develop, we want to grow. So basically, and so I kind of Lil Wayne's flow, I have his flow a little, you see, but not
What
just.
will be your sound that you're looking at?
Away.
So if I listen to it, I should listen to like a Lil Wayne type flow, punchline splitter,
Away, but not like the voice is not the same though.
I understand that.
Because I might be that leaning and stuff.
Okay, I feel you. And you, what inspired your sound?
Yeah, so today's hip hop is different, so I just try to do my own thing. See, like I said, I'm trying to do my own
if
thing.
I won't hear you anyways, like you don't sound like
You won't, I'm
Tupac.
just,
You don't sound, you have your own
I
flow.
just come out. You
That's
wouldn't even know who I am if I was rap. So.
Yeah, because you're gonna be the only one that does
yeah,
it.
that does it. So that's my.
That's
my
dope.
thing.
Now, what do you think about the game in Cape Town? Like currently, what's happening in Cape Town with hip hop?
At the moment, I think Youngstacpt and the way he's producing his music, it's different to. It's like it's bringing slang into English slang, which I don't actually like it, but he's getting people to listen to his stuff. You see, so people is like, they're buying his stuff. So obviously he's bringing a name for himself. He's making a name for himself. So I think Youngstacpt is, how can I say, he feel that
Nah,
shit.
I understand you. Like he took what everyone uses the most, he put it into something that people love, and now they're using it like a lot. Because the lingo we use is stuff that we speak about. Since it, here we go, boss. That's what we speak. How we speak. And you see,
and I think that's dope. That is dope.
So and your side, what do you think about the game, like the whole scene in Cape Town, like how the people is pushing and stuff?
Well, I don't actually study Cape Town. I study the whole country, South Africa.
Okay.
You see. So basically, like 10 years back, like when those and all that people started WSP, it wasn't so lit, but it was something new because they were trying a lot. But now, 10 years afterwards, the game boosted a lot. There's more, like the visuals is better. All of that stuff is better. The sound is better. The way the hooks is, it's better. Pronunciation and all that stuff. It's just it blows my mind away.
And the quality is improving. I see it myself. The quality is improving.
And they're doing the international features, so there must be something.
There must be something that's happening. So you just need to find the right plug. It's all about finding that right plug, and then once you got them, you use them correctly, and you get what you need, right?
Yeah.
So now another question: do you think the Lyric Lounge is a good platform for artists to come get exposure?
Yeah, I think so, most definitely. So, this is our first time here. You see, I didn't even know about this. I didn't know about you. Oasis. The first time I heard about you today, this morning, and that. So, yeah, it's dope, man.
Nah, it's good. It's good meeting new people. I feel you there. And your side?
Now, honestly, what I think, whenever that's my first time here by you guys, and I think there's so much love, man. Like you're trying to make people feel at home. I can see, like if I look at your group, there's so much diversity in it, and I respect that. And I think that basically when we work with artists also, we need that diversity. We need to understand other people also, because that's you same now you want to be an artist. You must now wanna rap about other stuff as well, man. Yeah, so that's why I think basically that's just dope. The setup and everything. I respect it and I appreciate what Lyrical Lounge is doing.
That's dope. You heard what he said. My show's dope. Subscribe to my page if you don't. I don't know what I'm gonna do, but you better subscribe though. Anyway, so if we give you an opportunity to perform now, do you think you'll be able to kill a set, like slay a track?
Yeah, I can perform like. Nah, there's no problem.
Yeah,
and is it a feature?
It's a feature.
So we're gonna see some pump, headbang stuff. And another question though, where can we find you? Like if we had to look for you, anywhere, Instagram,
you can go,
Twitter.
You can go on Facebook. There's a page, minusmediaproduction@gmail.com, and then you can just do inquiries there and ask about us and all that.
Find out. So if I want to book you for a show, if I do a show, I have to go to what?
minusmediaproductions.gmail.
Okay, so I'm gonna try to remember that because I'm gonna try and book them after the performance, you know, just in case they are dope and then they're like, yo, I need them at my next show. Yeah. So yeah, you know where to find them. So you're Steezing with your boy Oasis, and you heard everything they had to say. So now I'm gonna give them opportunity to perform, and they're gonna kill it, and then they'll be out.
Steezing with Oasis.
Ah, yeah. We be going around town, we be cruising it like a ship. Party girls on the yacht and the one to strip. Take a sip off the drink and get tipsy. I know y'all gonna miss me, but she can get with me.
Tonight, I'ma celebrate with my niggas tonight. I came a long way with my niggas tonight. Yeah, I'ma go insane with my niggas tonight. And I will never change on my niggas tonight. We fucked up and wasted. We fucked up and wasted. Ooh, we fucked up and wasted. We fucked up and wasted.
I fly with my niggas tonight. We roll up and pull up like we ain't got time. I got my girl with me, she look like a dime. She all dressed up, she be smelling divine. I love it when you grind on me. I know she wanna spend time with me. No matter what, she's always down for me. Good vibes, there's always honesty. In the back, now you wanna come and drive with me. Let me take the lights out, the spotlights on you. In the club, everyone got their eyes on you. Inhale the smoke, motherfucker, I'ma slay your throat. That's my bad bitch, say you what, I make it choke. She my working habit, so let me get to work. Cause on the bitch she twerk, she made that booty work. Tonight we gonna go insane like we will stop her. It's all the guys plan, every day we gotta say. We go around town, we be cruising it like a ship. Party girls on the yacht and the one to strip. Take a sip off the drink and get tipsy. I know y'all gon' miss me, but she can get with me.
Tonight, I'ma celebrate with my niggas tonight. I came a long way with my niggas tonight. Yeah, I'ma go insane with my niggas tonight. And I will never change on my niggas tonight. We fucked up and wasted. We fucked up and wasted. Ooh, we fucked up and wasted. We fucked up and wasted. I never thought this day would come. Just me and my niggas fucking around, yeah, we having fun. And we going dumb. And fuck up people look at us, cause sky's the limit, that we just fucking young. Bitch, you know what it is. I came from a struggle, so I'ma hustle for mine. So let me handle my biz. I got time for your kids, I got time for your children. My niggas celebrating, popping 100 bottles up in this building. I will never tell a bitch I miss her, cause I'm a type of nigga that will put my dick in her sister. I rap about the struggle cause it's all me. So when I'm done with it, then that bitch still call me. My niggas, my goons, my brothers, we are always gonna be there for each other. West and peace to all my fallen soldiers, we don't need another. I don't need a bitch to keep me happy, fanning level paper, and I only love my mother.
We be going around town, we be cruising it like a ship. All the girls on the yacht and the one to strip. Take a sip off the drink and get tipsy. I know y'all gon' miss me, but she can get with me.
Good night. I'ma celebrate with my niggas tonight. I came a long way with my niggas tonight. Yeah, I'ma go insane with my niggas tonight. And I will never change on my niggas tonight. We fucked up and wasted. We fucked up and wasted. Ooh. We fucked up and wasted. We fucked up and wasted. Ooh. You already know what it is. The Steezingwithoasis, you heard. Is maar nog niet kaap, man is alles wat mal is. Nog portals, is everything you heard. Shay, we out.
Fucked up.
And that's a wrap.